This is our BC-CR318 test bench. I would like to show you how to test CAD injectors. First, you should install the injector here. And then use this assistance. We are now testing CAD injectors, so click here and see. We have about 14 part numbers here. The injector we are now testing is 177474. Select the right injector number and click continue. So we'll enter to this page and click start. Wait few minutes. Okay, the machine is starting now. Our BC-318 test bench will show you the data of the sealing performance, this one, and full load status, and idle speed, and pre-inject status, and start status of injectors. See here? Need a few minutes to collect this status. Look at this, all these data are shown here. You can see these are standard data, and this is oil inject data, and these are oil return data. And the red data show that it is standard and correct, and this red one shows that it is not correct.